Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we will show you guys how to remove and replace front door speaker on Hyundai Sonata. Stay with us. We'll show you how to do that. We'll demonstrate on driver's door, but passenger door will be about the same as well. So let's go ahead and start on it. First we'll need to remove, a few. You can see a few leads there. One, because there is hidden screw underneath it. One over there. There is one in that handle. Whoop, this one flew away. And the one on top. Okay, perfect. Next we need to get a Phillips screwdriver guys, and we'll need to remove that screw there. Then we'll need to remove the screw under the door handle here. One underneath there. This one was really tight, and I have the feeling that we'll need to pull that plastic piece out as well. So we'll see about this one in a second. And those two. We'll also need to remove that plastic piece there for the mirror. But before that we have one more screw underneath. Two of them actually. Almost out. Those cars are super easy to work on for most things. We have a video if you have a 3.3 engine on our second channel, World Mechanics, what to look for the timing chain and potential problems with Hyundai Sonata that we fixed in the past. So this is a little bit stuck now somehow. You're just stuck on the front a little bit. There is a clip here, and we'll need to remove that one as well. Like that. Next we need to get the prying tool, and we need to start prying the door. There is clips, and some of those clips are breakable. Things fell off the door too. So we'll see what's broken inside. Then you need to lift it up because it's laying on the window rail. Like that. And we'll need to disconnect the wires here. All you do for those, like here, you push in and pull out. Like that. You have more there. This is for the master window switch. And this is for the mirror switch there. So let us show you where the clips are now. You can see one here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips. One of them came out, but you can remove them and install them on the door panel. So we're ready to remove the speaker now. You need to remove the wire. You need to press in and pull up. That's the thing that you need to press. Let me show you right here. And you pull up. Unfortunately those have rivets, so no bolts or screws, so we'll need to use a bit, and we need to drill those. That way we'll get rid of the rivets. Okay, this one is out too. It has glue on the back as well holding it. Okay, like that. And the speaker is out now, guys. You can see like that. Next, when you're ready to install, you need to grind those off or drill them all the way in to make sure that they're out, not sticking out. So you just have clean holes, and you can use either screws or a rivet gun if you would like to. So that's how you remove it. Thank you guys for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.